You know you want it. Boom, there we go. Kill it! There you go. Good snake. There we go. She's got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Use those muscles. Perfect. She's got a good grip on its face. I'll put, let's see. She's got a second rat back there, so she'll eat that one later. And then I'm going to put a third one right here. So she's got 3 medium rats she can eat.
Hola. ¿Sí? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? No puede ser. No puede ser. Sí. No puede ser. Sí. Okay, John. What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my wildlife. Today we're going to be feeding yellow anacondas. Right over here I've got my yellow anacondas I've had for quite some time. I've got Mick, my big male yellow anaconda, or somewhat big. I got him when he was a neonate and now he's around 3-4 feet long. He's getting really big. He's in here. And then I got my big female right here. She's like 9 feet long. She's a big monster. I love her. Big, beautiful yellow anaconda. And she's hungry. She's moving around like crazy. She smells the rats defrosted. She can smell the pheromones in the air. She can smell those particulates that are coming off the snake into the air. They have a very keen sense of smell for their food. And then if we look down here, we've got the male yellow anaconda that's a little bit bigger. He's like around 6 feet and he loves to chew on me. Good thing today, I'm not handling him. He can't chew on me. He's gonna be chewing on these lovely hors d'oeuvres I have served for them today. Yes, as you can see, the lovely rats. In some countries, this is prime rib. This is delicious. Be grateful for what you have. I'm grateful for these rats. If I didn't have snakes, they'd be in my belly. Oh, that's gross, blah, blah. Get over it. All right, guys, we are gonna first feed Mick. Honestly, I don't even know where he's at. I think he's hiding in the substrate either behind the bowl, or maybe he's on the lip. Hey, Mick. Okay, never mind. I forgot. This cage actually has something in the lip to keep snakes from going up there, so. I think he's behind this big bundle. Oh, the bundle became alive. There he is. Let's see if he wants the rat. I'm on my tongue, so I have to use my hands. Hold by the tail. Oh yeah, he smells it. He's tasting it. Come on. Come on. You know you want it. Boom, there we go. Kill it! There you go. Good snake. He looks a little opaque too, so I think he's going to shed very soon as well. Look at that big boy. Wrapping onto that food. Alright, I'm going to just take this out for a second. Hopefully he doesn't bite me. I'm going to put his water bowl back. Right to the side. There you go. Mick, my favorite anaconda. I'm going to put him right inside. There you go. And now you guys can watch him eat. We're going to lock his enclosure. We're going to feed the female anaconda down here. She's just hanging out. She's waiting. She knows there's food coming. She's been smelling the air. She can pick up that scent of the rats. I'm not using tongs today, which is a bit foolish. I'm going to end up like that lady who got bit. The video's been shared on Instagram. Here, have a feed. Want some food? Want a feed? There we go. She's going to eat a couple of these. So, let me get her attention, get her to bite this one too. She'll eat the other rat later. You want it? Come on. Come on. Come on, did you bite it? Come on.
There we go. She's got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Use those muscles. Perfect. She's got a good grip on its face. I'll put, let's see. She's got a second rat back there, so she'll eat that one later. And then I'm going to put a third one right here. So she's got 3 medium rats she can eat. And we're going to put the camera on the tripod so you guys can see the process of her taking these rats down. Let's get the tripod. We'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, beautiful people. It looks like she's done with that first rat. We'll let her be, so she needs a second one. We want to start feeding the male at the bottom because he's waiting too. He's being real patient, so let's give him a good feed. Where's he at? He's right here. This is the guy that just loves to chew on me and kiss me and just give me so much love. He's such a good snake. Let's move this water tub to the side. I don't see his head. Where's it at? Hey, buddy. You awake? Hey, buddy. Wakey, wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey, wakey. Hey, buddy. What's going on, buddy? Oh, hey. All right, I don't want any problems. I come here with with treats, with offerings. Look, it's a rat. It's your favorite. It's your favorite, dude? Come on. No, I see your pupils. Don't look at my hands. Look at the rat. Come on. Look at that rat. It's so juicy. Way juicier than my hand, right? Alright guys, it looks like the male anaconda has moved to the other side. He's not too interested. What I'm going to do is shift the glass around, lock this cage up, because it seems like he's being a bit shy. But in the meantime, you guys can enjoy this footage of the female eating, because she finished up her rats. So enjoy this. Yeah, I told you that snake would eat. That's what I do. That's what I do, baby. That's what I do. Alright. Yeah, I'll see you later. Alright, yeah. Alright, love you too. Bye, Mom. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that clip. Something else that we were able to get on film the other day was the green anacondas eating. Not just eating, but eating off tongs for the first time ever. I got this on iPhone footage, so enjoy it. Hopefully it came out somewhat good. I was trying to hold the camera and hold the tongs. It was a pain in the butt. But enjoy this footage of my green anacondas eating. This is awesome news. Guys, check this out. I've got the green anaconda right here. He looks like he's interested in possibly eating this chick. We're gonna see if we can get on camera because we haven't really filmed these guys eating. He looks super interested. He's extending out from the lip of the vision cage right now. Beautiful. Oh, she's extending out. Beautiful female green anaconda. You want it? Yes! 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 Oh my God, yes! Finally, I get these guys eating on camera. See, like I said before, my green anacondas were being very finicky. Hey, it's not about you, Mr. Rattlesnake. Look at this. Beautiful green anaconda. So they're being very, very finicky over the past couple months, only eating a couple meals here and there, like literally like once a month. So not good for a young snake. And I got them into this setup and they seem to be doing way better. As you can see, because he's starting to chew down on that chick. She is. My bad. I apologize, my beautiful female green anaconda. By the way, guys, comment below, what do you think we should name these beautiful female green anacondas? We've got two. One of them's right here, hanging out. Oh, probably wants a chick. Let's not leave them out of the party. I think if that one's hungry, then this one should definitely be hungry. Look at this. This is so cool, hanging off the lip of the cage. Getting a better coil around that chick. Nice and secure. Let's see if this guy will eat it. Looks like he's interested. You want it? Oh, look at this. You gonna bite it? Yes, 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 yes. That is so good. That is so good. I'm so stoked that these guys are eating. Look at them, rolling down the water. That is so cool to see. Look at that. Oh, he let go. She's gonna readjust now. Look how cute she is. Beautiful little snake. And these guys are believed to be the largest snake on the planet. The reason I say believed to be is because we got reticulated pythons on the planet. They're the longest species of snake, but they get so long, they have the potential to be the heaviest too. That is so cool. I am so happy right now. Look at this. I'm so happy. Look at this. This is so cool. I love green anacondas. I've always wanted to raise up my own green anacondas and have them tame out and have big 13, 16 foot, big, beautiful anacondas. And now my babies are eating frequently, so this is super good. I know they're gonna grow and hopefully eventually they'll start eating rats, which is lots of protein for a constrictor like this. Look at this guy. What are you doing, silly? This is so good. Okay. Near the all over you. Right. All right, beautiful people. I hope you enjoyed those clips. I'll see you on the next one. Stay beautiful, stay safe, but most of all, no voy a catar no pelo. No voy a catar no pelo. No voy a cortar el 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 pelo. Hey, you think he's a good guy?
Yeah, really good guy, man.
You know him?
Yeah.
How you know him?
He's my friend, man. He's my friend.
Okay, that's cool. I don't know him that well. I was just trying to be cool with the crowd. He looks like a guy.
He cool.
Yeah, he's a wild guy, right?
Yeah, very wild.
He's a wild guy.
Yeah, he had a very wild life.
Oh, I see what you. I like. You're cool. I like you. Oh, it's gross, Mama.